Okay. The video you're currently watching, and I'm currently filming right now in this time period, is how's it going, man?
Good, man, good.
What you making?
I'm making a castle.
Well,
pretty exciting.
That's Hi5 for you. So this video is supposed to be a scare prank video. It's supposed to bring terror to people. It's supposed to horrify the crowd. And really it's honestly been just a nightmare for me. I've had honestly just not the best of luck with this video. It's so frustrating, but you're gonna run into those videos. You're gonna run into that in life. It's life. Let's move on, right? This video's been a nightmare. It's been, hello.
Hey.
At the moment in this time sequence, I'm not done filming the video. I'm not done getting the perfect scare. And I'm not sure if I can, because every single time I've tried to scare somebody, it just goes wrong. It just goes wrong. First of all, the mannequin. It's not the best mannequin. I could have done better. It's janky. Is it a mannequin? I'm gonna say yes, so you can't accuse me of clickbait. This might not even make it in the cut if I get some good scares. Okay, so I'm just tracing right now, making a hole for this guy to go through so I can support the box on top of the RC car, because there's not enough surface area to support a full-grown human, and we're not even trying to do that. So, by the way, we're just winging this thing. I made no plan here. Well, I had a plan. I had a dream, and then I woke up and I had a vague thought, and now we're here. But that's how most things go. That's how I was created. With this surface area, kind of need stability to it. Otherwise, you're not going to get a very confident monster hurling towards the prankee, and you want your monster confident. Okay, so this is the final platform. No one knows what it is. Everyone's like, that's cool, I guess, but why?
Someone order a pizza? Get your pizza!
Wait, that is my pizza though. So
Oh, okay.
Can we not injure it?
All right, so this is what I've come up with. Makes it a little bit taller, and then Sam's working on the neck and the head over there. And I've decided it's gonna be kind of like on the shorter side.
A child.
A child. All of a sudden you see.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah, we're gonna scare some people.
If this thing was coming at me as I was getting in my car, I would back that up.
But it could be nice too, look.
What? It's ready to
Rave
party.
mode. Alright, so this is the view. He's pretty much done. That's what you guys look like. Up in there. I'll take you around back under the hood. It's kind of a mess under here, just like everybody else. We're all messes on the inside, am I right, Sam?
Wow.
It's being stabilized by a complicated system of wire, bamboo sticks, metal. You've got a walkie-talkie right there. You got your RC car underneath.
I liked this channel better when it was Hi5 vlogs.
Just swings on it.
Come in.
Oh my goodness. He's so muscular, bro.
Yeah, he's like stocky as heck.
Zeus. What's up, big man?
Can you please get a close-up on just like that breathing?
He likes that thing. He's a climber, dude. You're a gem for bringing your dog in.
We have dog therapy days like every Friday at work.
You just need regular therapy, Cat.
Yeah.
No dog can fix that.
Oh my goodness. I just want to like wrestle.
Legs are nuts. Your legs are nuts.
People sometimes.
Oh,
Oh my goodness.
He's gonna like being on Dope or Nope. Is he on Dope or Nope? Go check out
Yes.
Dope or Nope for more Frenchie.
More Zeus.
Oh, Zeus.
You think all Frenchies are just named
Yeah.
Frenchie?
I had a friend named Frenchie. He was German. I just scared the crap out of Sam.
I'm not even kidding. It's so bad. It's so bad. And the dumb thing is that like I watched you build this. She's crying. It just got me so off guard. And I like saw that it was here. And you like turned on the lights and everything.
It's okay, give it a hug, it's fine.
No. Why is it coming forward?
Press down to go forward. Press.
Oh. Is it supposed to turn? Is this how it turns?
Yes.
Oh.
I don't like that noise. That makes it even creepier.
Oh, I'm trying to stare it down and it still got me. I hate you. I hate you so much.
From this angle, it looks like you're saying that to a toddler, and you're like, I hate you so much.
I hate you so much. You will never amount to anything.
Couple adjustments I need to make, but I think it does its purpose. What do you think? I should have left them off. She's gone, dude. She's gone, bro.
She went out the other door.
What? Sick him, Zeus! Sick him! Sick him! You're scaring my poor dog!
You ran it into the carpet.
This is our first trial run. Did not do well. Okay, fixed her up a little bit. Deborah seems like she's about ready to scare some people.
Dude, that's scared the crap out of me, bro. I felt like a little kid, dude.
We got one.
What is it?
It's nothing.
Did you give it a wig?
She was born this way. Good to see you. Good to see you.
Deborah!
Woods, it's Deborah. She's not well.
What do you mean?
You need to give her CPR now.
You got it. Alright, so that was our bit, but obviously no one's taking Deborah seriously, maybe because she's super small and it's the middle of the day, and children are less threatening in the middle of the day.
Yeah.
But she's also weak looking. Like, just look inside. She looks very full, but she's safe and wire inside. What we really need to do is just kind of balance her more and strengthen her more. So what we're doing is we're using that slow cinematic pan. What we're doing is we're just using these counterweights we found, but not specifically made for being counterweights. I don't know what they're for. Bocce?
No, not bocce ball. It's that one sliding game.
Badminton?
Basketball.
We're using them to counterbalance and balance Deborah.
Nice!
We've been experimenting so much with Deborah, driving around, that no one's scared of her. Everyone just knows her.
Nicole hasn't seen Deborah yet, or Ashley.
That's true, but they just left to Texas.
Shoot!
Yeah.
She is beauty, she is grace. Kind of. Look at her, going out on her own.
She's so grown.
Oh!
Well, like this thing flies.
Does it really?
Do it. Zoom that way.
That thing goes.
What's up, Tanner? Heard you were single. Dude, stop!
Back up, Deborah.
This has been a long journey to just scare someone with that thing over there. What I'm doing is hiding out with the controller. Are you kidding me? Come on! Hopefully Nicole doesn't text me. I had to leave my phone up there so that I would continue recording. GoPros suck. I have to get at least one good scare. Nope, not happening. I just can't with today. Ah! I'm so livid. It's happened 5 times today. This is the 5th time I've set this up. Either someone's walked in on me just doing it.
He was gonna scare me. I walked by in Chill Records. He like looked and he's like, dang it, because I saw him working on it.
It's ridiculous. It's so frustrating. And like I get mad at people. Like I got mad at her, but I had to realize I'm like, it's not even her fault. Some of the things to do for shots. Izzy is a big contributor in the aid for dumb shots I want to get. And for that, I thank you. Thanks, Izzy. Okay, so me and Deborah have come to terms with each other. I built her and created her to be a machine of scaring, but what she truly wants to be is a machine of stunts. And so I've had to really do some internal thinking, and I think this could possibly suit her, so we're going to send her off in her first stunt. Also, felt bad about not giving you guys anything really to and go ooh at, so I thought this would be a good thing to go ooh at. Deborah's gonna put on a show for us. Ain't that right, Deborah? She's a little nervous today.
What's up?
What's up?
I'm depressed.
Debbie, we've got a couple visitors for you on your first stunt.
Don't do it!
It's a stunt!
He has so much to live.
It's, first of all, it's a Deborah, it's a she. Second of all, Deborah has taken up stunts, has forgotten about scaring.
Deb.
What?
Oh my God!
Deborah, you just landed. Where are you going?
I'm going to Disneyland.
Yeah!
Deborah can take up a career in stunts. I'll admit, that was pretty impressive, Deborah. Good for you, Debbie.
There he is.
Sir, how does it feel to land the first successful, I don't even know what you call that. How do you feel? Good. You heard it here first. It felt good.